Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're tackling how to transfer from USDT to USDC in 2025. If you're diving into the crypto world, you know USDT and USDC are both stablecoins pegged to the US dollar, making them super reliable for transactions without the wild price swings of other cryptos. Whether you're switching for better fees, platform compatibility, or just personal preference, this guide will walk you through it step by step. First off, why bother transferring? USDT and USDC might seem similar, but they operate on different blockchains or exchanges, and one might offer advantages like lower costs or faster speeds in 2025. Always check the latest updates, as crypto evolves quickly. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Pick a secure platform. Options like Binance, Coinbase, or even decentralized wallets like MetaMask are great starting points. Make sure your chosen platform supports both USDT and USDC. Step 2. Log into your account and head to your wallet or assets section. Locate your USDT balance, that's your starting point. Step 3. Find the swap or exchange feature. Most platforms have a simple interface where you can search for the USDT to USDC pair. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and the system will show you the estimated output. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Check for any transaction fees, which could vary based on network congestion in 2025. If you're using a decentralized exchange, you'll need to approve the transaction with your wallet. Step 5. Hit confirm. You'll likely need to verify with two-factor authentication for added security. Once processed, your USDC should appear in your wallet almost instantly on fast networks or within minutes on others. Finally, always double-check your balance and transaction history to ensure everything went smoothly. Remember, crypto security is key. Use hardware wallets if possible and never share your private keys. That's it for today. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy crypto tips. See you in the next video.